Alright, so every parabola has a domain. And that domain is all real numbers. Look at that funny thing. It's an R with a little line in it. Right? Or you can call it infinity. I don't care. Either one. I'm good with. This is what you're going to see a lot of times on the test. Because X can be anything. But the Y's, well, the Y's are limited. Right? Because they stop somewhere. That's why they ask you what the minimum value is. Well, the easiest way to find the minimum value, if you have 25, 6x minus x squared. So 6x minus x squared, right? So f of x, okay? How do I find the minimum? Remember the derivative, okay? So I have negative x squared plus 6x, right? And so what I want to do, because I always want this in front. I always want that in descending order. And then I find the derivative. 2 times negative. Oh, negative 2x. 1 times 6. Well, 6 set equal to 0. What is that? Well, negative 2x equals negative 6, right? Then what? X equals 3, right? Then plug it in. Okay? What is 3 squared? Remember, the negative's on the outside. It's negative x. Okay? So what is 3 squared? 9, right? What's 6 times 3? Very good, 18. Good. Hey, are those, again, one's twice as big as the other? Yeah, because what is it? So f of 3 is equal to what? Come on. F of 3 is equal to? Very good. 9. Okay? Because negative 9 plus 18. Come on, guys. Wake up. It's okay. Alright. So this is your minimum or maximum. What is it? Is it a minimum or is it a maximum? It's a negative squared, right? So it's a frowning. It's frowning. So that's a maximum value. That means that's the most that the y can ever be. And then it only goes lower. So, the range in this case, with respect to y, is it goes lower, the y is less than 9. Oh. The y is less than or equal to, right? Because it could equal it. It equals it at one point, right? 9. And that's it. That's your domain and range. Okay? The domain, x is anything. Right? The range, and this is 25. Okay? Alright, so, can I erase this or should I just do it right here? I bet I can just put in 27 right here. Right? Because what is 27? 27 is 1/2 x squared minus 4. Negative 1/2 x squared minus 4. Hey, is this frowning or is it smiling? Frowning. Good. So we already know it looks like this. So this is a maximum value, right? What's my f prime of x? Come on, guys. This is f of x. What's f prime of x? Tell me. What's 2 halves? 1. Okay? But the negative one, 2 negative halves would be a negative 1, right? So negative x. Is there another x over here? No. So, equals 0. What is it? What is x? X is 0, right? So, when I plug x in, when I plug 0 in, f of 0 equals what? Negative 4, right? Okay? So that is my what? My vertex, yeah? And so that's my maximum, right? Because it's a frowning. So it's my maximum. So the most the y can ever be, y, right, is less than or equal to negative 4, right? But what's x? Come on, people. What's x? Infinity. Yeah. Or this little funky r, or yeah, infinity. Whatever you want. Right? X is anything. But Y has a constraint. Does that make sense? Last one, 29, we'll call it a day. X squared, 8x. So I'm going to plug it up here. X squared, 8x. I'm just going to continue. X squared, 8x. And what else? 16? Plus, right? So plus and plus. So what's the derivative? 2x plus 8. So that's 0. So that's 2x equals minus 8. So x equals negative 4. Plug that in. Negative 4 squared is 16. Negative 4 times that is minus 32. What is that? 8x plus what? 16? Alright, so then 16 minus 32 is minus 16, and minus 16 plus 16 is 0. So f of negative 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's what? Is it a maximum or minimum? Is this smiling or frowning? Yeah, it's smiling, so it's a minimum, right? So that means that the y, right? The y cannot be lower. So y is greater than or equal to 0. But x is what? Infinite. Done. Woo! That was the easy assignment. You guys made it.